Imagine boosting your income by $1,000 each month, all from your computer, on your own terms. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a practical goal achievable through online opportunities. Many platforms offer incredible flexibility, making them perfect for students, part-timers, or anyone seeking to earn extra money without a rigid schedule. You can genuinely transform your spare time into significant earnings. This is the only online earning platform that sends payments worldwide. Whether you are from Asia, Africa, Europe, America, Australia, or any part of the world, you can take part in this opportunity. Ready to begin?
If you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
Ready to begin? Let's talk about ClickWorker. This platform connects you with diverse micro-tasks such as data categorization, text creation, and survey completion. These tasks are typically quick, require no specialized experience, and pay per completion. It's an excellent way to develop new skills and grow your bank account. After signing up and filling out your profile, you can choose from available tasks and get paid once your work is approved. Earnings are added to your account balance, and you can withdraw funds once you reach the minimum threshold, typically around €10 for PayPal and €20 for Payoneer or bank transfers, though this can vary by country. Payments are usually processed weekly, and you can start exploring available tasks today. Your journey to $1,000 in part-time income can start right now.